Hey guys, Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property here again at Treviso Bay. Today we are looking at one of our listings. It's Avellino Unit 2821. It's an Arabella N unit, second floor. Tons of upgrades. Right now it's priced at $334,900, which is a fantastic deal on this condo. Let's take a quick look inside here. It's a 2-bed plus den. You've got the beautiful kitchen area up here towards the front. Plantation shutters on this home. You can buy it turnkey. That means you're going to get all the furnishings and all the extra items that you would find in the cabinetry, like the plates, the linens, the forks, spoons, knives, those kind of things. Huge open kitchen here. As we come back to the hallway, to our left is going to be the guest bath here. It's a shower tub combination. And just off of that, you have the laundry room here. Upper cabinets there for nice storage as well. And here's the guest bedroom. This one has the wood-like tile on the floor. That's a nice little upgrade. This unit has also been painted as well, above and beyond what Lennar puts out there. Nice walk-in closet in the guest bedroom. Again, plantation shutters as well. Directly straight across, you've got a linen closet here to the right. This closet here holds your air handler. And right off of that is your den. Again, with the wood-like tile on the floors, painted. You've got the plantation shutters. I mean, this is so new. There's still even plastic on the lamps here. You're definitely not getting a used condo with this one. Some other features, you have the additional picture framing and woodwork that's been done here. They've also taken this dry bar and expanded on what Lennar had there originally, added the wine rack, the upper cabinets here, really sharp looking, and you've got this great room area here overlooking the kitchen. Again, this is a turnkey sale, so pretty much what you see is what you get. There's a small exclusions list that we'd love to talk to you about. Beautiful tiled-in lanai out here overlooking the lake here at Treviso Bay. That's a fantastic view on this condo. And then again, you have the upgraded flooring in the master here. Really nice size master, plantation shutters. Again, you can see it's been repainted as well. Plastic still on the lamps. This is about as new gets without being new. You've got two closets, one on each side here, his and hers. And then in the bathroom, you've got the standalone shower, soaking tub, your two sinks, private commode room, and another linen closet here. So this unit here is available for sale right now. This can all be yours, ready for season. It's Avellino Unit 2821. Look at all the information down in the comments below. We'd love to help you secure this unit. Again, this is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property Group. You can call us at 239-671-4046 or email roberto@trevisobay@naples.com. We'll talk to you soon, folks.